How to plant and maintain flower Alamanda in pots for ornamental plants for beginners. Ornamental plants of natural flowers or Alamanda cathartica are plants of flowers originating from Brazil. The natural flower is yellow and looks like a trumpet. This natural flowering plants are easy to bloom and the leaves are favored by caterpillars. The stems are hard and gummy. Scientific classification of flowers Alamanda. Kingdom, Platy. Phylum, Basidiomycota. Class, Magoliosida. Order, Apocyles. Family, Apocyaceae. Genus, Alamanda. Species, Alamanda cathartica. These plants are widely grown as ornamental plants in the yard or vines of the house fence. Usually natural flowers cultivated or planted by way of cuttings, although it can also be cultivated through seeds. Generally, the natural Alamanda flowers are yellow, but as the development, natural flowers have various colors because the results of crosses or cuttings. There are flowers Alamanda white, purple, pink and orange. Alamanda flowers have many benefits. The benefits of natural flowers are: gum stem can be used to kill maggots and larvae of mosquitoes, cancer drugs, and the prevention of germs and bacteria. Its leaves can be used as a medicine for constipation, curedema, and antidote. Its roots can prevent jaundice, flowers to prevent malarial complications and swelling of the spleen, sticks for dysentery. Because in addition to ornamental plants but also has many benefits of many properties, start planting this Alamanda flowers. If you want to plant natural flowers, here's how to plant flowers Alamanda in pot. 1. Preparation of planting pot. Choose and prepare a pot that matches the size of the plant you want to plant and make sure the pot has enough drainage holes. 2. Preparation of planting media. Planting media that need to be prepared is a planting medium in the form of a mixture of soil and manure that has been cooked or compost. After mixed evenly, let stand for 5 to 6 days. Planting medium and let it be exposed to sunlight. Its purpose: agar seed pest and disease on dead plant media. 3. Preparation of natural flower seedlings. Propagation of natural flower seedlings can be done by generative through seeds or by vegetative way through grafts or stek. Pillar seeds are healthy and fresh and has a fairly sturdy stem. 4. Planting flower Alamanda in pot. Once everything is ready, do the planting. Put the seeds in the pot with the position perpendicular, then enter the planting medium that has been prepared in the pot until almost full. 5. How to take care of Alamanda flowers. Perform watering routinely by using gember until ciliary part of the plant and planting media wet. In addition to watering, do the fertilization on a regular basis, that is every month, so that the nutrients needed for the growth and development of natural plant flowers are met. In addition to doing the hormone stimulation of flowers so that flowers grow faster every 2 weeks interval. So we are discussing about how to plant and maintain flower Alamanda in pots for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video we serve can be useful for us all. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.